कर्नाटक के नायब वज़ीर-ए-आला डी.के. शिवा कुमार ने कांग्रेस को इनकम टैक्स की नोटिस पर कहा कि क्या इस मुल्क में जमहूरियत और कानून बाकी नहीं है। बीजेपी अपोजिशन को निशाना बना रही है। शिवा कुमार का कहना था कि कांग्रेस और इंडिया इत्तेहाद से खौफजदा है और आने वाले इंतखाबात में इंडिया इत्तेहाद बीजेपी को शिकस्त देगा। बीजेपी को पता चल चुका है कि वो इलेक्शन हारने जा रहे हैं, इसलिए अपोजिशन को हरासा किया जा रहा है।
Government is directing the officials. See, sun will set and sun will rise. Nothing is permanent. But where can a political party, including the communists, why they are targeting the opposition? That means it shows that they are afraid of the Congress party. They are afraid of India alliance, and India alliance is going to defeat the NDA. This is the weakness what the BJP has understood, that they will lose the election. So they are trying to create all type of fear, including me also. Yesterday night I got a notice from the income tax, which has already been settled matter.
Even you got a notice?
Yes, including also myself. I was shocked of my personal assets and all. They are creating a lot of this one. CBI officers are going to all the places. Even when there is a matter is in the court also, they are going. And there are so many cases. I don't want to mention of the sitting union ministers, even from Karnataka. But last 4 years, 5 years,